Lesson 1. The Arabic alphabet. The Arabic alphabet has 28 letters. However, some says there are 30. This will be explained later. Arabic words are written and read horizontally from right to left, but the Arabic numbers are written from left to right, just like the English numbers. These 28 letters are referred to as the consonant, while the vowels are written as marks over and under the consonant. You will now hear the Arabic alphabet being read at normal speed, followed by a second reading with pauses that will give you the chance of learning how to write each letter. Alif,
Alif,
Ba,
Ba,
Ta,
Ta,
Tha,
Tha,
Jim,
Jim,
Ha,
Ha,
Kha,
Ha,
Dal,
Dal,
Zal,
Zal,
Ra,
Ra,
Zai,
Zai,
Sin,
Sin,
Shin,
Shin,
Sad,
Sad,
Dad,
Dad,
Ta,
Ta,
Za,
Za,
Ain,
Ain,
Ghain,
Goin,
Fa,
Fa,
Qaf,
Qaf,
Kaf,
Kaf,
Lam,
Lam,
Mim,
Mim,
Nun,
Nun,
Ha,
Haw,
Waw,
Waw,
Ya.
Ya.
Note, Lam, Alif and Hamza are not part of the 28 letters. Therefore, if they are added, they will be 30 in number. This is why some says they are 30. Lam Alif is formed from the combination of Lam and Alif, while Hamza is an integral part of Alif. Let's practice how to write each letter. The pen shows how each letter should be written. Alif,
Alif,
Ba,
Ba,
Ta,
Ta,
Tha,
Tha,
Jim,
Jim,
Ha,
Ha,
Kha,
Kha,
Dal,
Dal,
Zal,
Zal,
Ra,
Ra,
Zai,
Zai,
Sin,
Sin,
Shin,
Shin,
Sad,
Sad,
Dad,
Dad,
Ta,
Ta,
Za,
Za,
Ain,
Ain,
Ghain,
Goin,
Fa,
Fa,
Qaf,
Qaf,
Kaf,
Kaf,
Lam,
Lam,
Mim,
Mim,
Nun,
Nun,
Haw,
Haw,
Waw,
Waw,
Lam Alif,
Lam Alif,
Hamza,
Hamza,
Ya.
Ya.
Let's read once more and this time, take note of how the letters are arranged. Alif,
Alif.
Ba,
Ba.
Ta,
Ta.
Tha,
Sa.
Jim,
Jim.
Ha,
Ha.
Kho,
Kho.
Dal,
Dal.
Zal,
Zal.
Ra,
Ra.
Zai,
Zai.
Sin,
Si.
Shin,
Shi.
Sod,
Sod.
Dod,
Dod.
To,
To.
Zo,
Zo.
Ain,
Ain.
Roin,
Goin.
Fa,
Fa.
Kof,
Kof.
Kaf,
Kaf.
Lam,
Lam.
Mim,
Mim.
Nun,
Nun.
Ha,
Aw.
Wow,
Wow.
Lam Alif,
Lam Alif.
Hamza,
Hamza.
Ya.
Ya.
Now, I want you to read the Arabic alphabet by yourself.
Alif. Ba. Ta. Sa. Jim. Ha. Kha. Dal. Zal. Ra. Zai. Sin. Shin. Sod. Dod. To. Zo. Ain. Goin. Fa. Kof. Kaf. Lam. Mim. Nun. Aw. Wow. Lam Alif. Hamza. Yaw.
Now, are you sure you have mastered the Arabic alphabet? If yes, can you read the Arabic alphabet by yourself once more?
Alif. Ba. Ta. Sa. Jim. Ha. Kha. Dal. Zal. Ra. Zai. Sin. Shin. Sod. Dod. To. Zo. Ain. Goin. Fa. Kof. Kaf. Lam. Mim. Nun. How. Wow. Lam Alif. Hamza. Yaw.
Coming up next,